Okay, today's weeds and plants for medicine and food, part 3. Okay, in front of us we have the narrow leaf plantain, which you'll see they have seed heads and they're narrow. Then you have the broadleaf plantain, which has the same seed heads. Okay. These are good for wound care, whooping cough, asthma, bronchitis. Chewing on the leaves, boiling the leaves, rolling them in hand for the juice is good for putting on stings. They're high in protein, vitamin C, E, K, boron, calcium, iron. The broad leaves are best for salads, and the narrow leaves are best for smoothies. The narrow leaves have higher concentrations of vitamins. Okay, then we have this plant right here, which is called pokeweed, and it can be used for poke salad. I don't really recommend it for food because it takes a lot to do. You can eat it, it's very healthy, and it's an amazing plant. They're using it to cure childhood leukemia. You got to make sure that you cook it proper and you get the leaves while they're green. It requires you to boil it, empty the water, rinse it, put fresh water in, boil it, empty the water, rinse it, and boil it a third time and rinse it. It's good. The shoot sections on it taste like asparagus, and it's good for treating mastitis, uterine cancer, throat cancer, breast cancer. The roots, you can put them together and make a tincture out of alcohol and water, and you can rub it on your stomach for cystitis. Okay, this right here is a thistle. It's good for increasing your appetite, heartburn, treating your gallbladder. It'll lower your blood sugar, reduces menopause symptoms. Don't use it if you're allergic to ragweed. The leaves are good for salad, and the seeds can be roasted up as a coffee substitute. Chickweed go. Okay, this right here is a plant. It's called chickweed, and it usually has white flowers during the springtime. It's got pointed tips. It increases your ability to uptake your vitamins and minerals. It's high in proteins, calcium, chlorophyll, carotenes, helps to aid liver production, and increases vitamin A and C, relieves your fever, inflammation, infections, bronchitis, sore throat, and joint pain. Use it externally for rubbing on cuts, bites, dermatitis, eczema, and psoriasis. It's great for smoothies, and yeah. Okay. This right here is called the wild carrot. Has a very fibrous root to it. Not very good for eating the roots, but it's good for adding flavor to soups. Seeds have a hint of coriander and citrus flavor. Whole plant is useful. It's good for a diuretic. good for your kidneys, it's good for gout, helps settle an upset stomach, reduces flatulence, and it's not recommended if you're pregnant. And here we have the chicory plant. Chicory is used for upset stomachs, constipation, liver and gallbladder disorders, cancer, rapid heartbeat, increases urine production. You can make a paste from the leaves, and it'll help reduce inflammation and swelling of the skin. The roots and the buds can be boiled and eaten. Dried flowers are used for flavoring, and they enhance the flavor of coffee and reduce the stimulant effect. It's got a mild laxative, and it's high in beta-carotene. Limit the use of it if you're breastfeeding or you're allergic to ragweed, chrysanthemums, marigolds, and daisies. Hope that helps.